This is a step-by-step guide on how to create a drop-down list on Excel. Now, here you can see that I have specified where I want my list to be. That is my drop-down list. This is the months of the year, and I want a situation where when I come to the second cell, just immediately after months of the year cell, I can just click on a drop-down arrow, then I select whatever month I want. Now, this is the first step. Specify where you want your drop-down list to be. After that, you are going to list whatever items you want to be included under your drop-down list. Now, under the months, I have included months of the year from January to December. Now, these are the months that I want to be included in my drop-down list. Now, that is the first step. The second step, you click into the cell just below months of the year. Then you go at the top of your Excel spreadsheet. You go up to where we have the data tab. You click on the data tab. Now, under the data tab, we have a number of options, but we want to come up to where we have the data tools. Under the data tools, we are looking for data validation, and data validation is just the last option in this case. Then you see this drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see the two options again, the three options. We are going with the first option because we want to do data validation. You click on the data validation. You have a window like this. The first option is settings, second one input message, then the last one is error alert. Let us go with the settings first. Then the second options here is now where you allow what you want to appear on your list. Click on the drop down arrow because we want the list. We are looking for the list. We are not looking for any value, whole number, decimal. We're just looking for the list. Hover your cursor up to where we have the list, then click on the list. When you click on the list, you can see a smaller window like this is opening where we have the source. It is just instructing us to go and get that list. Now click on that arrow, then just copy this list from January to December. Once you are done, click again that arrow, then you have everything. Now the last step is to just click OK, then confirm. Immediately you click OK, it means that you are done, and a small drop down arrow like this is automatically appearing. You click into that drop down arrow, you are going to see the list has been transferred to where we wanted them to be. Now you can go up to the bottom, you can see the last month is December, the first one is January, and we have all the months. This is how you do it easily. Within 3 minutes, you have done it. Actually, you can do it within 1 minute if you are not explaining it to anybody. Now, in our next video, we are going to show how you can automate this one so that when you add another record just below the last record on your list, your drop-down arrow list will automatically grow. Right now, when we add something, let us say that we are adding another January, or let's say we had another month that is not even in existence. Let's say Treya. Yes. When we come here to our drop-down list, it is not going to be found. Yes. Now we want a situation where whenever we add another record below our list, it automatically going to be reflected in our drop-down list. Now that is what we are going to look at in our next video.